Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Ansar. Today we are going to learn our new lesson, vowel team syllables. The first lesson in vowel team syllables is vowel pairs. Vowel pairs. What are vowel pairs and how to read these vowel pairs if they appear in words. Vowel pairs को हम किस तरह पढ़ सकते हैं जब वो वर्ड्स में आते हैं. तो वर्ड्स में जब भी vowel pairs आते हैं तो हम उसे किस तरह पढ़ेंगे, हम आज इस लेसन में सीखेंगे. और वो कौन से वॉवल पेयर्स है और उसको पढ़ना किस तरह से हम पढ़ सकते हैं, उसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन क्या होगा. ओके, व्हाट विल बी द प्रोनाउंसिएशन ऑफ these vowel pairs. What are these vowel pairs? Let us learn one by one. So number one is, let me give you example, A and I. When A, I, both letters come, both vowels come in a word, then what we have to do? We have to read like name of letter A. What is the rule? When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking and it says its name. तो दो वावल जब भी अपीयर होते हैं यहाँ पे ए एंड आई, तो उसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन होता है, उसको किस तरह पढ़ा जाता है, ए, लेटर ए. जैसा कि इट सेज इट्स नेम. व्हाट इज़ द नेम ऑफ दिस लेटर ए. तो इसके एग्जाम्पल्स हम देखते हैं. बहुत आसान है, बहुत ही सिंपल है, लेकिन हमें याद ये रखना होगा कि कौन से पेयर से वो कौन से वावल पेयर से वो याद रखना होता है. वो याद रखना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. कौन से पेयर से है? पहला ए आई. अब इसको देखते हैं. ए आई क्या साउंड आता है, इसका क्या प्रोनाउंसिएशन होता है, किस तरह हमें पढ़ना चाहिए. लेट अस सी हियर. इफ आई राइट फॉर एग्जांपल TRAIN, ट्रेन, what is the pronunciation? A, tray, A sound. So both letters, both vowels, we have here pair, a pair of vowels here. What is A and I? But pronunciation very simple. It says its name. What is the name? The first one does the talking. First one. What is the first letter? A. First vowel A. It says its name. A. What is the name of this letter? A. So we have to say same thing. We have to pronounce same. Train. A. Train. Okay. We can have more examples. Rain. 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 So here also you can see A sound. Rain. Train. Okay. Wait. A sound. Okay. Easy. Very easy. Very simple. Pain. 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 So these are the examples. Few examples. A, I. Sound is, what is the pronunciation? A. Train. A. Rain. A sound. Wait. A sound. And pain. A sound. So first letter only we have to pronounce. Okay. And second letter will be silent. So this is the first pair of vowel, A and I. E and A. Can you guess that what is the pronunciation? What will be the pronunciation of these two vowels if they come or appear in a word? Yes, you are right. E sound. Because first one does the talking and it says its name. Very simple. So here examples. For example, if I write, let me give you example. Team. 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 Okay. So here in word team, very easy for us to read. Team. Only E sound will be there. It says its name means E. Team. Okay. A is silent. So here this is one more what I can say pair. So you can see more examples I would like to write here. Team. Meet. MEAT. Meet. Me. Okay. Meet. Team. Very easy for us. Week. WEAK. Week. Here also same thing. Week. Teach. 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 So easy for us. You can understand easily. Okay. Pronunciation of this one is E. E letter. We have to say letter E if they appear. Double E. Double E is third one. Same thing. Very simple for us. Just E. The sound double E also give E sound. Okay. This pair also gives E sound. Example. Very easy example. We have many examples. Meet. E sound. If I write C, E sound, easily you can identify E sound. Okay. Meet. What is the second one? C. sheep, okay, deep. These are the words, very easy for us to understand. This one, the third one. And so here, meat, sea, sheep, deep, all, you know, these words have the double E, but for pronunciation only E. Okay. Number 4, A and Y. AY, very easy. Can you guess, please? Yes, you are right. So pronunciation A. First letter AY, both are vowels. Here Y is also considered as a vowel. Sometimes it becomes vowel. It acts like a vowel. So AY, both are vowels. So sound is A. आवाज़ क्या आना चाहिए हमें? बहुत आसान है, ए की आवाज़ आएगी. वर्ड्स को देखते हैं एग्जाम्पल्स के साथ, तो बहुत आसान हो जाएगा. जैसा कि मैं लिखता हूँ डे, DAY, डे, ए की आवाज़ है. दोनों को मिलाएंगे तो हम इसकी आवाज़ क्या आएगी? ए की आवाज़ आएगी. ए, डे. ओके. वे, WAY, वे, ए की आवाज़ है यहाँ पे भी. वे. और इफ़ आई राइट प्ले, यहाँ पे भी आप you can notice that A sound, AY give, both AY, this pair gives A sound. Okay. Tray, TRAY, tray. Here also you can notice that A sound. This is fourth pair. So we have to remember the pairs. That is very important. You can understand the, you know, pronunciation very easily, but which are the pairs we have to remember. वो कौन कौन से pairs है जिसमें हमको जो है ना ये रूल अप्लाई हो सकता है, ये रूल अप्लाई हो सकता है. कौन से रूल, कौन से pairs है वो हमें मालूम, याद रखना होगा. ये है AY, E and Y, EY, ये नंबर 5 पेयर नंबर 5 EY में भी हमें क्या आएगा? E का साउंड आएगा. वेरी इजी. ओके. नंबर 5. तो यहाँ पे हम इसमें कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स देखते हैं कि विच साउंड E and Y both they give E sound, both together, 2 letters or 2 vowels, they give E sound. Okay. Key, and I can give you honey, knee, E sound. Okay. Money, 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 E sound. You can easily understand E sound. E and Y give, both the letters they give E sound. I can give you one more example. Valley also we have E sound. Easily you can understand E sound. Okay. We have I and E. Next pair. So what is the, you know, what is the pronunciation? Very easy, very simple. I, pronunciation will be I of the word if they appear, because this pair also follows the same, you know, this rule. Okay. What is the rule? When 2 vowels go walking, the first one does the talking and it says its name. Okay. So first one does the talking. I does the talking and I says its own name. What is the name of this letter? I. So second letter will be silent. Now here I can give you example. LIE, lie. So what is the sound? I sound. Lie. DIE, die. What is the sound? What is the pronunciation? I. What is the pronunciation? How to pronounce this word? Die. Lie. Okay, I sound. And if I write TIE, tie. Okay. You can write untie, 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 tie or untie. So here I sound. So very easy for us, but only I'm telling you only one thing. We have to remember pairs of how many vowel pairs they follow this rule. That is very important. Even pair number 7 is O and E. Very simple. O and E. Very easy. Easily you can guess. You can understand easily. This pair gives O sound. So this pair, the words. What are the words we have? Toe, O sound. Okay, you can easily understand O sound. Toe. We have FOE, fo. What is the sound? We sound O and E, both the letters together. You know, it's a pair of vowel, and it gives, we sound O sound. Fo, toe. Okay. DOE, do. We can say here, or we have H-O-E, ho. These are the words. They give O sounds. O and A. Can you guess what will be the sound? इन दोनों की आवाज़ क्या होगी? क्या आप बोल सकते हैं? बिल्कुल सही, आपने बिल्कुल सही फरमाया। यहाँ पर ओ की आवाज़ आएगी। दोनों भी जब एक वर्ड में आएंगे तो ये ओ की आवाज़, ये दोनों वॉवल पहले लेटर की आवाज़ देंगे। तो कैसा होगा? लेट मी सी, लेट मी गिव यू एग्जाम्पल्स, वेरी सिंपल एग्जाम्पल। SOAP, सोप। सोप वर्ड में कौन सी आवाज़ आ रही है? ओ की आवाज़ आ रही है। ये दोनों को मिलाए तो ओ, सोप। ROAD, road. Here also you can notice O sound. Okay. If I write, for example, boat, BOAT, boat. Here also you can notice that O sound. Okay, boat. I can write COAT, coat. So here also you can notice that O sound is there. Okay, O. So this is one of the pairs of vowel pairs. Next one. What is the next one? Last one. So U and E. Very simple for you. It gives U sound, U vowel. It says its name, U, first letter is U, and U, it says that the word, these two letters, if they come in the word, so what will be the pronunciation? U. For example, if I write example, dew. So this U and E, they give U sound. Okay, dew. Q, CUEQ. This U and E, they give also U sound. So this one, first letter, first vowel. Okay. And if I write issue, SES, issue also, we have word. Here also U sound. You can notice U. If I write, for example, continue, CONTINUE, continue. Here also you can continue, U sound. Okay. And I would like to give you one last very favorite of all word, very favorite for all. What is that one? Barbecue. Q. So this part you can notice here U, Q, CUEQ, U, these two letters. So U letter, barbecue, U sound. Vowel pairs, how many are there? 9. I have explained you with examples, very simple for us. These pairs are very, very important in learning language, especially reading. Okay, very important for reading skills. So here U and E, example is there. U and E, these two letters, they appear in the word, like here dew, and first letter we have to pronounce very easily. Very easy for us to read this word or pronounce this word like this: dew, Q, issue, continue, barbecue. Okay, I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Have a great day. Enjoy learning.